Uh, Please start when you're free, when you're ready.
Hello, my name is Avaneesh Kadel, and my website is called VoxCoach AI. So, table of context, we're first going to go through introduction, problem statement, real world insight, solution, and demonstration. So, my name is Avaneesh Kadel, and alongside my team, I'm thrilled to introduce VoxCoach AI, which is a
Avnish, can you wait once again? Sorry about that. Yeah, I didn't realize you don't have your camera turned on, right?
sorry,
Need your camera turned on for this, right? Okay, Avnish, do you mind starting from the beginning again? Don't
yeah.
mind. My bad. Uh, Please.
Hello, my name is Avaneesh Kadel, and my website is called VoxCoach AI. So, table of context is we're first going to go through introduction, problem statements, real world insights, solution, and demonstration. So my name is Avneesh Kadel, and some of my hobbies are I play pickleball, I go to the gym, and that I like watching anime. So alongside my team, I'm thrilled to introduce VoxCoach AI, which is a communication analytic and an AI powered simulation platform. So it uses AI to track your real world responses, and it provides insights to help you master and not be as nervous in some interviews for colleges or jobs. So me and my team realized that there are not enough websites to like help people prepare for interviews for either colleges or jobs, and that it can like really like um it can really just like help people with with to increase their chances in jobs or colleges. So some real world insights is that according to the national survey by JDP, 93% of candidates experience job interview anxiety, which making high stakes professional and academic evaluations one of the most nerve wracking milestones individuals face, suppressing many common phobias. The communication gap research also reveals that 41% of candidates fear with freezing up or struggling to answer tricky behavioral questions under pressure. And then the traditional interview prep involves passive reading or isolated recording, and that makes candidates like interactive AI powered guidance. So our solution was VoxCoach AI, and it's an AI powered communication analytic that helps users monitor, understand, and refine their verbal delivery and interview performance throughout college admissions and corporate career evaluation. Some key features are cognitive and behavioral question simulation, real time audio waveform and speech tracking, advanced AI interview integration, and professional and academic track modes. So my future scope is that I want to be able to expand it to iOS and Android, so for mobiles, and I want it to make it that it tracks past sessions and future sessions, so you can see how well you have gone better. And I want it to also include medical school, law school, and other industry scenarios such as finance and consulting. And also I want to enhance the college predictor so it uses real data from the world instead of AI estimated probabilities. Thank you. You're muted.
Yep, sorry. Thank you for informing me. Yeah. Let's have good job with the presentation. Let's have a look at the. Can you have a look at a demo of your project? Let's see how it works.
Yeah. So this is the website, and I have either speech coach and predict college chances. So you can put your unweighted GPA, weighted GPA, SAT, ACT, and then your extracurricular AP, and then target major, and also a specific college that you want. So I could just like run admissions with these stats, and it gives you like your target, safety, and reach schools, and it also gives you an AI assessment, and then also it says strategies to boost, and then you can say like let's just say I want to go to NYU with these stats, and it says that, and it gives you the percent chance of admission, and it shows that you're strong GPA. Oh, did my
Understand.
did my
So
stream start?
you on like college applications and stuff like that, right? Wait,
What
don't stop doing Avnish.
did I stop sharing by accident?
Oh yes, I think you did.
Sorry. Do you see it now?
It's loading. Yeah, there you go. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay, so you're focusing more so on like college applications stuff like that, right?
Yeah, and then there's also just the simulator, which does star, fluency glaze, optimal. But I'm like focusing more towards like college
Oh,
because I
okay, cool. So there is a corporate one as well, but like you're focusing more so on college, right?
yeah, it's also yeah. I want to
Yeah.
also add
Uh,
just
is there like do I have to type out everything for like this sort of stuff, or can I put up like a people write resumes and stuff, right? Or they have their own portfolios.
yeah.
Is it possible for me to like upload a portfolio and then like it'll just how do I say this? It'll figure out my stats using the resume or something.
Oh no, I was
Yeah.
thinking of like adding that so that it can also help with everything else and also with jobs because I also want to add somewhere that you can also add for your jobs.
Oh, okay, cool. So I guess you're more focused on the college part, right?
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Okay, let's just focus on the college part then. Okay, so all right, so SAT scores. Okay, look, a lot of especially colleges in America, right? Especially the Ivy League stuff is like a lot of them are this. It goes down to extracurricular curriculars. Does that make sense?
yeah,
Because
yeah,
like everyone applying has basically a 4.0 GPA.
mhm,
They're all valedictorians, right? But
yeah,
like what differentiates them is like what their portfolio is like, as well as like what sort of extra stuff they've done, right? So
yeah.
how can I how is that stuff? How are you gonna include that sort of stuff in your app?
Um, I think that I'm gonna make it so that on one side you can add your specific extracurriculars based on your school, and which helps, and then I make it so that it looks over your extracurriculars, and then relates to your school and then your major that you want to do because you can put what your major is. So I would want it so it uses your extracurricular as well. Right now, there's like only like moderate, high, and elite. But I would want it to be you can add your own specific ones.
Cool. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's have a look at this in action. Actually.
Okay, so let's just say 3.5 unweighted, and then 4.2 GPA, and then your SAT was say 1350. ACT was 25, and then you took 3, and you're moderate.
Right.
You see University of Michigan, and then Buffalo State, and then New Hampshire, Nebraska, Idaho, and then Montana.
Okay. Okay. Well, interesting. So, then we must one other factor by the way you can add is like where you are, right?
Yeah,
Like obviously like any all colleges apply, but like you don't want to go like somewhere very far away from you,
yeah. I
right?
was in it like an in-state option, like out of state.
Instead, yeah, in-state, out of state, stuff like that as well, right? And what
And
about like international options possibly, right?
yeah,
Because
yeah.
maybe international studies might be there for you. Or, like there's also
Mhm.
the financial aspect of college. Like maybe a college is good for you, but like it's out of your price range, right?
Yeah,
Makes sense. Yeah,
yeah.
so that you can also think of that, right?
Mhm.
Cool. Okay. The question for you: how does this model work exactly? Like, are you just what are you using here for this?
What is it? I made it so that I used Claude, which and then I made it so that I gave it specific instructions.
Oh wait, but my model. I mean, like, okay, look, when you press the run admission diagnostic button, like, what happens? Can you just describe that?
Oh, it goes through, it checks your GPA weighted, and then it brings in all your SAT and ACT, and then it checks it with your colleges. So like, if I made it so that even if like your reach schools wouldn't be your reach schools if you had like a one GPA, like I made it so like
Did
MIT wouldn't.
you wait, so did you make your own model here, or like did you like it's an AI here, right? That's determining the stuff,
Yeah, it's an AI.
right? So did you write your AI on your own, or were you using something like an API, using like Grok API or something like that?
Oh, I use Grok API.
Okay, that's the question I was asking you. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Interesting. Is there like okay? Oh yeah, but one more thing you can add as well, like a bit of follow up would be nice, right? Like maybe like right now just giving okay these are my recommendations, but maybe asking follow up questions can be helpful here as well, right? So make it a bit more like a chatbot. Does that make sense? Or like a one thing. like
Oh,
one time.
see, like
So
so
make
it's like
sense?
a conversation type of thing.
The, yeah, there can be like a button at the bottom that says like ask follow up or something. Right? You can
Oh,
ask about these colleges, right? You can be like, hey, tell me about the University of Nebraska Lincoln. I have no idea what this stuff is, right?
yeah, yeah. I get what
Right?
you mean.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, so using Grok API for this. So, question for you. What is an API?
Um, it's just something that like mm, it's just something that like it makes it so like it's like a